Hi guys, today we are going to read Tigers, the Largest Cats. This is passage number 405. Tigers belong to the cat family. They are the biggest cats on earth. Most tigers are brown with dark stripes. Their stomachs are whitish in color. Tigers are endangered. That means there are not many tigers left in the world. There are 5 kinds of tigers found in the world today. One kind of tiger is the Bengal tiger. It can grow up to be 12 feet long. The males can weigh almost 500 pounds. Bengal tigers eat mostly deer and cattle. Most Bengal tigers live in India. The white tiger is a kind of Bengal tiger. These tigers have white fur with brown or reddish stripes. Wild white tigers are rare. None have been seen in the wild since the 1950s. Most white tigers are in zoos. The Siberian is the largest of all tigers. The male Siberian can weigh as much as 660 pounds. Siberian tigers have pale orange fur. Their stripes are brown. Siberian tigers live mostly in Russia. They eat elk and wild boar. The Sumatran tiger lives only on the island of Sumatra. This island is in Indonesia. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest of all tigers. The males weigh only about 264 pounds. Sumatran tigers have coats that are darker than other tigers. They have broad black stripes. These stripes are close together. Sometimes the stripes are doubled. These stripes are, the South China tiger is also a small tiger. Only 20 to 30 of these tigers exist in the wild. The rest of them live in zoos. Very little is known about these tigers. The Indo-Chinese tiger is another kind of tiger. It is smaller than the Bengal tiger. Its fur is darker with short, narrow stripes. Many Indo-Chinese tigers live in Thailand.